Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mallory and I go by the brand name Trendy Vintage Classic across all platforms. You can find me on Instagram, and there in my bio will have my link tree, and that will get you connected to all of my platforms. Poshmark, eBay, and now Whatnot, and other stuff up there, Zazzle. But primarily today, I am focusing on sourcing and flipping from Whatnot. So if you did not see my introductory video about Whatnot, please check that out. I will link it, or you can just look for the video before this. And basically, I was just giving you guys an intro and just the down low on Whatnot, and basically like how to get started. So if you are not on Whatnot, please go to my Instagram bio and you can sign up for Whatnot and earn $10, which will also give me $10. So it's a win-win situation. And I use that money to support the other small sellers on there. So you feel free to do that. And even if you just sign up to build a community, that's a great thing to do as well. It's a great way to network. For me specifically, I had taken a break from YouTube. I wasn't consistent because I didn't see like the immediate result. And so I just kept focusing on listing and kind of put YouTube on the back burner, which Whatnot has now encouraged me to get back into YouTube because I've been doing some pop-up live shows and just talking and chatting about reselling and giving advice and doing Q&A type of things. And people have really responded well to that. And a lot of my new friends on Whatnot say that they really appreciate those types of videos. So hey, that's fun. So I will continue doing reseller type of content on the YouTube channel. So this will be a quick one. I'm just going to go over a few highlights of some items that I have sourced and that have sold very, very quickly, that I sourced low and they sold for a great amount and I made great profit. So the first one is these Pilcrow. I'll link, put it right up there. Pilcrow new with tag, the Skipper wide leg faded black jeans, size 29. So the reason I purchased these were, I love Pilcrow and the letterpress from Anthropology. I love their pants. They do sell well for me, but you do have to know what you're looking for. So on Whatnot, it could be very tempting to go crazy and buy everything. And once you buy one item, the remainder of the items have discounted shipping, which means that it'll be about half the price. So if jeans are normally $9 shipping, it would be $4.50. So with the price of gas, I just take that as like, okay, I would have been driving around looking and sourcing, so I'm gonna eat that loss because I typically wouldn't pay for shipping. But in this case, with gas being expensive, it makes sense. So what I do is, my trick is, not trick, but like if I win a giveaway, first of all, I want to support the seller. So I definitely buy something. If I don't see anything in the store, usually they have a buy it now, and I will just, purchase a buy it now, which is like $5, buy them a coffee, and they send you a sticker, or I'll do that because you get discounted shipping. So once you win the giveaway, you get that discounted shipping on your purchases now. So in both of the instances that I'm talking about on these two items that sold, I had discounted shipping. So that was just luck. But there was another item that I purchased, the third item I'll talk about, where I purchased something lighter first, purposely, so that then when, a heavier item comes, you get that discounted. So that's another way around it. You can ask to see items in a store and usually sellers go in order from like lightest to heaviest. So anywho, so these Pilcrow jeans sold for my full asking price of $77 on Poshmark within one day of me getting them. So I purchased them off of Whatnot from a live show for $6. Yes, $6 plus $4.50 shipping. And They were shipped to me right away. Whatnot sellers are great about shipping. Like, I got it in like 2 days. It's faster than Poshmark, guys. Like, people really ship quickly on Whatnot. So I got it right away, and then I just looked up the stock photo because they were brand new with tag and posted them. They sold within 1 day. I was so amazed. So I'm like, I spent $6 on these pair of pants that in Goodwill probably would have been $24.99 and flipped them in a day for $77. To me, that was amazing. The next item is this ASOS. That's how we say it. A lot of people say ASOS. It's ASOS. New with tag sequin shirt dress. Very sparkly. It's Style Cheat, which is sold in ASOS, from ASOS. And it's a belted like shirt dress. So what I have to say is I did buy this for $6 as well with discounted shipping. The shipping was, I think, was a little less, like $3 for this. So I'm all in like maybe $9, and this sold within 2 days, once again, like right away, if not the next day actually, for $53. And I threw it on my mannequin, used my photo room app to take a picture of it. That's an instant return. And as resellers, you know, when we invest money, we like instant returns. So that was just so amazing. The thing is, though, you have to know what you're looking for because it's really easy. I see a lot of resellers on Whatnot to get rid of their death piles. And what's really happening is people are just like shuffling their clothes around, their inventory around, because then they see good deals and start buying and buying, or they want to support their friends and friends that they made, or build up the community or get a following. And so you really do have to be careful on what you source. So the only reason I purchased this specific dress is because I had done research on what the fall trends are, and sequins are going to be such a huge trend. If you watch the runway and the fashion magazines, high-end fashion, sequins, gemstones, like all of that good stuff, sparkly, just kind of, I don't want to say gaudy, but like kind of, yeah. So I knew that that was a trend coming up, and sure enough, this sold in 1 day, and the woman wanted it shipped to her right away because she said she was going to a wedding and wanted it. So sequins are in, and so is black for the fall, and anything with like just clear like gemstones, I guess, if you want to say, like gemstones, chunky like gemstones added on along with sequins and sparkly things. So if I hadn't known that, I wouldn't have sought that out and saw that and purchased it right away. So if you don't know what you're looking for or don't do your research, you know, you don't have time on Whatnot. It's usually a 30-second auction. You don't always have the time to research and do comps, and all transactions are final. So it's not like you can return it and say like, oh, I made a mistake, like, and then you find out that dress really doesn't sell for a lot. You can't really do that. But specifically with these two items, I knew wide leg cropped jeans are super in style, new with tag, Anthropology. I knew they were going to sell. And at that low of a price, lower than the thrift store and Goodwill, it's a win-win. It's a no-brainer for me. The other item that I picked up that I listed right away within 1 day, received 3 likes on eBay and on Poshmark. And so I know like it's gonna sell quickly. I'm holding off on like offers, obviously, because I just put it up. So it's sold out in the store. It's Savage Fenty by Rihanna, and it's currently sold out. It's still on their website. So I was able to have this beautiful stock image. As you can see, she's beautiful. It looks beautiful on her. And it is this very sexy snakeskin, like garter belt lingerie piece, and it is just gorgeous, guys. And it is new with tags, and I purchased this for $9, yes. It was so worth it. And the girl who was selling it to me, she was so sweet. She's like, yeah, I don't really know what you're supposed to do with this or how you're supposed to hook it up. And like, so a lot of people are on there just trying to like get rid of stuff. But in the moment, could be selling off stuff that is super valuable. I won't lie, it happened to me. I did a show and I made the mistake of selling a dress. It looked like a boutique brand to me. Honestly, it didn't look like it was super well made, and it just looked like a boutique brand. So I threw it up on one of my shows, and immediately this girl wanted to see it, and she's like bidding on it, and like I think the bid only went to like $8, and she's like, oh my god, I can't believe I just got that. So then I'm like, uh-oh. I didn't say anything. I'm like, yay, you know, congratulations, girl. And then I look it up after. The dresses brand new are like $450, and they resell in between $150 and $250. So no, I'm not going to cancel that order. That's against my character and against whatnot. And I sent her a letter, you know, in the inbox, and said, I'm so happy you got this. I learned something new because I saw the way you were responding, and you know, like, just enjoy it. So it is what it is. We're learning every day, you know, as resellers. So I can't say it's only happened to, you know, other people. It did happen to me one time. So it's good to be on the lookout. It's good to be in the shows. Another tip is to go in smaller shows. I said this on my first video. In both of these cases, with the ASOS dress, that it was someone's first live, and usually on first lives, people start their items a lot cheaper because they're nervous. They just want to get the sales. They want to make their first sales and get it going. It's not like I'm saying, oh, I'm only going to pay $8 for that. No, I'm going to pay what they ask. It's not a tax sale. I'm not hassling you and then like ripping you off and reselling it. But if you're going to sell it and I can make money for it, why not? In both cases, they were smaller shows. All three cases, they were smaller shows, and I just purchased it. So there have been plenty of other items that I have purchased that I'm going to resell, but I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to show you that it is possible. These were just kind of my top like purchases that were worth money. Other stuff, you know, is maybe just some bread and butter items that I know I could at least triple my money on. And yeah, so my word of advice to everyone is follow the trends. Like, make sure you know what the trends are for fall and winter coming up. As I said, it's a lot of sheer, see-through, black, sequins, clear gemstones, things like that. It really sounds like winter type stuff, but that's what's in for the fall. Along with the other fall clothing, which is, you know, normal, shimmery. So I did grab a lot of Victoria's Secret, like shimmery see-through tops from another seller for like $1 each. So, you know, those won't be huge profits, but they're sticking with the trends, and I am trying to sell more on Depop. So I like to keep up with the trends and use like witch core and everything like that, and those type of that type of, you know, tags and keywords. So yeah, guys, so if you're not on Whatnot, please follow me on Instagram at Trendyvintagec. Go in my link in my bio, sign up through my link, so you will get $10. It's after your first purchase you get the $10, and then I get $10 as well, and then I just put it back into the community. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned. I will try to do weekly updates on maybe flips from Whatnot, but also back to my regular what's selling on eBay and Poshmark. Guys, it is picking up for me. I did have some really good sales these past couple of weeks. It has picked up, so I will probably do another regular video of like what sold just on that topic, but I wanted this to be about sourcing on Whatnot. So thank you for tuning in. Bye, guys.